Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Weeks after NCB said its system upgrade should have been completed, CEO Patrick Hilton admitted that some customers are still being affected. But Mr. Hilton assures customers that most persons have been able to complete their transactions. Now, NCB says it has processed all files submitted, but some customers are still experiencing difficulties due to rejection of payments. The bank says it has been working with employers and other banks to process the rejected transactions or to identify alternative ways to pay salaries. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, has set out to explain what it means by low, stable and predictable inflation. As a result, the central bank is hosting a two-part seminar aimed at educating the public. At the opening ceremony today, BOJ Governor Brian Winter said the seminar complements the bank's drive to simplify complex economics.
While Bank of Jamaica has hosted a multitude of economic seminars over the years, they've mostly been seminars that are exclusive to economists. It's not that we exclude people who aren't economists, but if you're not an economist, you probably wouldn't want to be there. These are meetings of our economists, meetings of economists across the region, meetings of economists around the world, all discussing what you'd expect us to discuss here. But today, instead, we have a stellar team of economists, but they're not speaking only to each other, which is normal, but they're here to present directly to you, the members of the public.
We go down to currency trading as the day ended with the US dollar selling for $131.34. The Canadian dollar closed at $98.44. The pound is now selling for $165.67, while the euro closed the day at $150.09. The JSE index gained 4,099 points today, while the junior market index advanced 32 points. Among today's winners were Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Rock Insurance, Lasco Financial Services, CAC 2000, and Radio Jamaica. On the losing side were Key Insurance, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Blue Power Group, Pulse Investments, and Lasco Distributors. Cuba today rejected the latest U.S. restrictions on travel to the island. The country also stressed that its support for Venezuela's president, Nicolas Maduro, is not negotiable. The official statement was published by the Cuban press 2 days after the U.S. Treasury Department banned group educational travel, cruise ship, and private yacht visits by Americans to Cuba. The ban was implemented because of Cuba's backing of Maduro. The last U.S. cruise ship sailed out of Havana's harbor yesterday as the U.S. ban went into effect, targeting the flourishing tourism market that had seen visits by more than 250,000 Americans in the first quarter of 2019. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.